Coughs and colds often surprise us as the seasons shift, leaving us feeling under the weather. Effective over-the-counter pharmaceuticals are widely accessible, but there are also efficient home remedies that can reduce the symptoms and offer relief and healing. Here are 5 all-natural remedies you can try in the convenience of your own home. A simple and powerful remedy for soothing a sore throat and reducing coughing is a salt water gargle. Mix about half a teaspoon of salt into a glass of warm water and gargle the solution for 15 to 30 seconds before spitting it out. Repeat this process several times a day, or you can even try to do it twice a day, to help reduce throat inflammation and break up mucus. Honey is well known for its soothing properties. While tulsi, holy basil, and long pepper, pipali, have been used in traditional medicine for their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Create a paste by mixing equal parts honey, crushed tulsi leaves, and long pepper powder. Consume a teaspoon of this paste 2 to 3 times a day to ease coughing and boost your immune system. Ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric are all potent ingredients with anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Prepare a comforting drink by boiling slices of ginger with a pinch of cinnamon and turmeric in water. Strain the mixture. Add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness if desired, and sip on this warm drink throughout the day to relieve congestion and promote healing. It's not just grandma's remedy. Chicken soup has genuine healing benefits for coughs and colds. Packed with nutrients and hydration, a warm bowl of chicken soup can help soothe a sore throat, clear nasal congestion, and provide comfort during illness. Go for a homemade version with plenty of vegetables and chicken for maximum nourishment. Certain essential oils, such as eucalyptus and peppermint, have decongestant and antimicrobial properties that can help alleviate cough and cold symptoms. Add a few drops of your preferred essential oil to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam by covering your head with a towel. For another option, you can dilute the oil with a carrier oil, like almond oil or castor oil, and massage it onto your chest and throat for relief.